What's up, guys? I found this fan art of Goku Super Saiyan 5, a fan form. Looks pretty cool. So let's try. So he's kind of three-quarter pose looking this way, okay? So his is quite small, I'll have to zoom in. So we start with the large frown first, the large Dragon Ball eyebrow. So curve it around like a check mark, then goes this way. Down. And then we give him the square end. And then bring it back down and gradually make it thinner as it comes down. So you're going to bring it into the front then, like that. And sometimes there's like some hairlines just on the back of the eyebrow. So his eye then, so we go a long line diagonally there, and then a short line this side, and then we just bring these together like so. Sometimes I've seen Super Saiyan 5, he's got that extra silver line around. You can do that if you want. I'll leave it like this just because it's a simpler process. Because it's a fan art, I think it's different, like a lot of different times. So we'll just put his eye in here, and his pupil just in there. And then we'll go with the W frown here in the middle, and then a sort of forehead sort of line there. Then the other eyebrow, so again, check mark kind of comes out, down. This one's much smaller because it's turned away from us, about 3/4 or half the size of that even. And then we'll bring this back down, thinner as we go down. Put the brow line there. So again, very small eye, so you do the long line, then a short line, and then we just carve those together. And you can see a little bit of his eye in here, and the pupil, like so. Right, then we can do his nose. It just sort of hooks out here, back in, up to there. And then we have the shadow underneath. Cheek marks, can't forget them. And then serious, downturned Goku mouth. His bottom lip, just there. And then his chin, square sort of chin here. So because we're in 3/4 pose, we have a jaw and then a cheek, right? Two different types of lines. So the jaw goes diagonally this way. And it changes its direction like that. And then the other side's different. So we get his cheek, so it kind of curves in and out, then around his cheekbone and up towards the eyebrow then. And when you get to the eyebrow, it sort of curves around to his forehead and up to there. Right, and then the ear. Back down, around like so. And then we have some ear lines inside. Right, and then we get his hairline just coming down across the top of his forehead here. And then we get his fringe hair spikes. So there's another one that sticks out just this side. And like a sideburn just in there at his ear. So now, so it's all about, he's like Super Saiyan 3 hair, right? So it's pretty crazy. He's got some thin extra spikes. So it mostly goes back this way and some thin ones that go out the front. So let's just go for it, right? So we'll go start with the biggest ones at the front. Some smaller ones sticking out here. And then we get the long ones. So there's like a long, thin one. Like that. And there's some small ones here. And then sitting on his chest, there's one. Kind of like Super Saiyan 4, you know. And there's like a neckline here. And the back of his neck is there. So we keep going. So we get like, I think we get another thin one. Like so. And then this goes up and down. And then another one in behind. So it's like layers and layers now of hair basically going all back this way. Do do do. Do 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 do. So his shoulder comes down here somewhere. Right, so body parts are here, but we'll add texture lines to the hair first. So just like following each spike, you just add 2 or 3 of these curved lines on each one just to show it's kind of hairy. Right. Now, body. So, Super Saiyan 4, he's kind of silver, furry anatomy with bare chest here in the front. So we'll get his like neck muscles there. So these neck muscles always go to the center of your collarbone or your chest. So just here. That's the center of his chest. And then he's all furry on the edge of this chest muscle. So like a zigzag line sort of around the outside of it. So just like a scratchy zigzag line. And then we get abs here. And these abs are sort of surrounded by fur as well. And then the bottom sort of abs are a bit furry as well. So this side of his chest, again, just coming down, can be hairy and furry. And then his like hips and ribs and stuff. Just there. And then we get a shoulder. Then his tricep. Bicep. And a big one back this way. And he's got like a strap on his shoulder here somewhere. You can probably see like some fur in there. And then his bicep comes down here, again hairy, but he's got a like some sort of bandana or something strapped across his arm, right? So it's green and red, so this is the green part. So we've got some lines coming across. And then there's a blue part here that doesn't go the whole way, it only goes half. Then we get his tricep down to his elbow. Finish off the bicep in here, and then the forearm goes down. Right, and then so his back muscles there, and you should probably see some obliques or something, just some furry sort of stuff in here. Right, and then a belt. We have a belt here, right? And he's got like a yin and yang type of symbol thing going on. So what is that? Okay, so say the belt goes this way. Right, it has all straps on it. And then there's sort of an oval type shape thing with a circle inside. So like something like this at first. And then there's a yin and yang thing in here. I know it's not exactly yin and yang, but like a symbol anyway. Okay. But that's it, I think. Super Saiyan 5 Goku. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.